Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to Di3. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about a couple of essential knots. There was some requests to do some knots, so we're going to do a few knots. We'll start with the reef knot. So we have a couple of pieces of rope here, just a couple of short ends. What we'll do is we'll take one of the loose ends here. We'll just create a loop with that, just fold it over, create a loop. And we'll go ahead and hold that just with our hand here. And then with the other loose end, we'll take that and run through the middle. So through the hole in the loop that we've created. So I've just got that going through here. I'm just going to go around where my hand's holding right here. And then after I wrap around, I go right back through that same hole that I just made. And there we go. That's called the reef knot. So you see how it slides together and they're interlocking loops there. That's what creates that one. All right, moving on. Clove hitch. This is another one that you'll probably use quite a bit if you're out doing anything outdoorsy. You want to attach to something stationary. So clove hitch. We'll use this as my tree limb or something stationary here. We'll just take our rope. I'm going to flop it over this tree limb here. So I've got that like that. So I've just got the rope sitting like this. And you want to make sure as you loop around that you cross over the rope. So I'm crossing over the inside, the outside of it here. And I'll go around one more time. See how it creates this little V right here? And once it creates a V, you take the loose end of the rope and shove it right through the middle of that V right there. And then when you tighten that up, that can hold your tension and you'll be good for holding your bear bags or whatever you need to hold on that. And that'll tension and then that'll come right undone. As soon as you take that off, it just flies right off. So that takes care of that one. And let's see, how about a bow line? Let's do a bow line here. So bow line, once again, take our little bit of rope here. I'm just going to create a little loop in here. So I'm going to just fold this over on itself and create a little loop. I'm just going to hold that just to demonstrate here. So we'll hold the loop. Now this one here, you come from the back side to the front. So you go through the hole. And then once I come to the hole on the outside of the rope here, I just go around where I'm holding here. So I'm just going around this back rope here. And once I've done that, I come back to this inner loop here, but I go on the outside of this rope right here. So I go right where that rope just came through. So you should see something like this. And I'm going to move the two of these together so you see this tighten up. So I'm holding the loose end and the lower loop here, and I'm going to take the top end of this rope and just tighten it up. Okay. And that is your bow line. This is for your like tent stakes or anything like that, where you can hold something and cinch it down and you can have that tightened up and move this to whatever size and length that you need. And that should take care of that. So that's it for today. Di3. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you on the next episode. All right. Thanks, everyone.